how was the beauty services today?
Great. Mickie is awesome. She makes you feel like a princess being pampered. It was so relaxing, not rushed at all, and yeah, I'm super thrilled with the results.
And you look so pretty.
Thank you.
Gorgeous.
My banana.
Turn around. Let's see the back of the hair. So we did a side swept.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
So you're getting married at the Yosemite Valley Chapel today.
Yes. Yep.
Well, let's go.
All right.
One of my brides actually, who wore a lot of false eyelashes, turned me on to this eyelash glue. And I'm like, oh my God, it's so good. I'm like, I can't believe I ever used that other glue before. You know, it's like, it's so nice.
Nice. Is it the brand that she introduced you to?
It's this exact one. Yeah.
Nice.
So, and you could get it at like Walmart.
Oh, nice.
It's called Super Strong Hold Eyelash Adhesive, and it's clear. And what I used to use is Duo Glue, which has, oh gosh, what is it? It's almost like rubber cement.
Oh wow. Okay.
It's really sticky and clumpy and thicker.
Okay.
And look how thin that is.
Yeah.
And it dries clear.
Cool.
And it lasts like really long. Like you might have to use like that makeup remover wipe I give you. You might have to use that to get rid of, or it might pull off. I don't know, but it's good. Okay. I mean, that's what you want.
That's good. It won't
you don't want a wonky
away.
eyelash.
Yes.
Yeah. It's all good things.
Good.
So yeah, I'm like, I love this stuff. She's like, can you use my eyelash glue? I'm like, sure, yeah, I'll use it. And then I put it on her. I'm like, okay, what is this? How come I've never heard of this before? I'm like, did you have to special order this? She goes, I get that at Walmart. I'm like, what? That is nuts. Go ahead and open. Let's see that. God, that's gorgeous. Okay, so now we're going to bend them a certain way. Look at me.
Oh, sorry.
Keep your eyes on me. So I'm going to just bend them so they match, you know, if they go out or go up, you know.
Okay.
And then this is a good time to marry your lashes, which are now a little sticky because they have mascara on them.
Yes.
I could just like squeeze them with the falsies and they look like they're all the same.
Okay.
So it looks very natural, you know. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, that's so pretty. That looks so good. And your eyelashes are big already, but this looks so natural and pretty. Yeah.
Looks great.
All right, where's the boutonniere? Oh.
The pin is on that piece of paper, yeah.
All right.
I'll stop for a second.
I'll wait.
Okay.
You can do that.
Thanks. All right, let's see here. Do you want to look in the mirror and see where you want it, or trust me?
I trust you. You know where you want it.
Do it through the leaf again.
Watch your fingers.
We got artificial bouquet and
You had to, didn't you?
want to check it out in the mirror?
I think it looks good, no?
Looks good.
All right. Well, I'll let you guys
I
finish.
like it. All right.
Thanks.
Do you have moisturizer on your face?
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Good. Do you have a chapstick?
Do you have anything to cover that up?
Yeah, come here.
These are my boots and the blanket that I want to bring too.
And make sure you have a chapstick on you.
Me?
Yes, and keep your lips moist because this will show up in photography.
Okay.
And it looks, dry skin and dry lips look really, really bad in photography.
I don't even know if I have any.
I have a chapstick for you right
Oh, there we go.
Do you
How's that
want
look?
cherry?
Looks better, I guess. Oh.
Without
You're not
having to
gonna
put makeup
completely-
all the way.
She's great. You should marry her.
Makeup. I think it looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Better than it was.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My pleasure, of course.
Yeah, much better. So beautiful.
It's really pretty. I love the back a lot.
Yeah, I do too.
And the back's important because when you like walk down the aisle, they might
Yes.
take pictures of your back, you know, and stuff
Yep.
like that. So
Definitely.
yeah. Let me spray. And then face made real fast. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
Isn't it?
Yes, it's so good. Let me get these little tiny flowers. Oh, it's so pretty.
I love it.
It's really, really pretty. And that looks really good like that.
Yeah.
I love that too. I'm going to give it just a spritz on the inside here. There we go. Oh, that's so pretty.
Wow.
Okay, let me do the back.
Okay.
Let me turn
Oh
this
my
off.
goodness. Oh.
That happens on wedding days, I guess,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah.
Okay, so we're going to keep it there. You like it there, right?
Yes, I do.
Where that piece is? Okay.
Yeah.
So let me spray.
Honey, there's a few little flyaways on the very top too.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Where, honey? Right here? These ones?
Right, you're right in there. There.
Yeah. Let me spray.
All right.
Does that feel secure?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
The piece in your hair?
Yep.
Okay, great.
Yeah, I can't feel it.
Okay, wonderful. I'm going to pin these
Okay.
just so they stay still. Just in case wind or something.
Mm-hmm.
And they'll look nicer with pinned against the head instead of flopping around.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I walk and stuff.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Geez, you're good. I never would have thought of that.
Okay, good. Oh, see, it just looks so much better when they're pinned to the head. It just looks nice and flat. Like you can see the detail in the clip. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I got that on Amazon too.
You did? You got this clip on Amazon?
Yeah.
Get out.
It was like $10 or something.
Get out of here. It's so pretty.
Well, it was kind of cool because my mom went back to the bridal shop where I got my dress, and she was sending me photos and telling me how much they cost and everything. I was like, ooh, that's a little pricey. Well,
Right.
for the bridal shop, it's going to be.
Right.
So I just went on Amazon. They have so many beautiful ones on Amazon.
Oh, wow.
And you never know when you get it in person what it's
Right,
like,
it's
but
true.
I think I got lucky.
You
I really
did
like
good.
it.
It's super pretty.
Thanks.
And it looks good with your dark hair, you know?
Thanks.
It just goes really well.
Oh, I wanted something with pearls because most of my jewelry is pearl.
Okay, so go ahead and take that mirror one more time and look and just give me a final approval of everything.
Oh my gosh. Mickie, it's awesome. Oh, from the side. Looks so good. Approved. Love, love, love it.
It's really,
you.
You're so welcome. I love how it's polished, but it's
Me
curling
too.
too. Like it's wavy, but yet it's, yeah.
Yay!
Awesome.
Do we need to do one final coat of spray or?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay.
Can never have too much spray. Okay, that ain't going nowhere.
Okay.
That is like
Yay.
I'm gonna put down just a few up
Okay.
here. While I got the hairspray fresh in there, I'm just gonna make sure they stay down. Yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay, love, do you need to get in your dress?
Yes, I'm just gonna right here.
So pretty. Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Is that lined?
Yes, it has
Has a
3
line?
layers. And
Uh-huh. I think you need help, like smoothing. Yeah?
Smoothing. Oh, like right here maybe?
Come here, love. Come here.
Okay.
I'm gonna lift this up.
Sure.
Okay, so there's one layer, right?
2.
And then 2. Okay, so grab that. We'll start with the bottom one. And this is the first layer?
Yep.
There?
That's the one.
And then let's do the second one.
Okay.
Like that.
you.
That looks smoother,
There we
right?
go, yeah.
Does that? I'm trying to get.
I don't know. I haven't been able to. Well, I'm glad you're doing this because when I do it, I'm bending over,
Right,
going
right,
down,
right.
and I'm like, well,
There.
I'm gonna get.
Does that look?
Yeah, that looks better.
Does that look better? Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so I'm giving you just some hair pins just in case you need them. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Just in case. Okay.
I've got 2 different sizes here. I don't know.
All right.
There's a hook and eye here that
Got
I can't
it.
figure out.
Go ahead and back up.
Okay.
Right there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. What are you using here? Let's try this
Yeah,
one.
whatever one's more comfortable.
God, you were so smart to bring this.
Oh yeah. I was
You're the
thinking-
first one who's ever brought one.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Every time I do this, the bride's usually going, "Oh, I wish I had one of those needles." I'm like,
Me too, lady.
Oh, how do you feel?
I feel great. I'm just hungry, even though I ate a big
bless your heart.
breakfast.
Yes.
I feel hungry.
Do you have something to
again.
snack on here in the
Yeah,
room?
yeah.
Do you want to have a little snack before you go downstairs so you're not
Maybe-
lightheaded or anything?
Yeah, maybe I'll eat a banana.
Yeah.
Might be good.
Yeah. So there's no zipper to this,
No,
right? It's
no
just
zipper.
okay.
Yeah.
I'm just making sure before I start
Thank you.
buttoning. Yes.
Thanks. I better just put my jewelry on, put my shoes on, and I think we're good.
Oh my gosh.
I brought
I'm gonna
a.
turn you this way like that. See if that's easy. You brought what?
I brought a fur.
Oh, that's
Fur, like a wrap.
Oh, pretty.
Because-
Yes.
Well, I bought this dress when we were planning to get married in June.
Oh.
And so I'm going to freeze in Yosemite in February. So I can't forget to grab that before we leave too. Yeah, I was thinking maybe there's a way. That's how I discovered the crochet hook trick.
Yeah.
And I thought, oh, maybe there's a way I can button it by myself. And I tried with the crochet hook. I'm
Oh
like,
my
no,
God. There's no way.
not happening.
Yes.
Even if I had a zillion mirrors.
Right. Yeah.
Couldn't
So
do it.
difficult. I mean, I'm looking at it and it's still like,
Yeah.
you know,
Like, wait, which one am I on?
it takes some finessing here.
You know, I don't think I've ever had this dress on with it, all the buttons really closed.
You're kidding.
Yeah,
Oh my
because when I
gosh.
got it tailored, we just like
Turn you just
clipped it and stuff.
Aww. Well, here's the last one.
Oh,
You're all done.
thank
Okay, it's a
you.
little.
Is it twisted?
Oh, honey, you got that showing too. You don't
What
want
is
that
it?
showing. That
The
is
hanger hook?
yes.
Oh, here.
The
I could probably reach in, maybe.
this part,
Yeah.
baby. Where can we
Here, we'll
shove
do
that
this.
in the front?
Yep.
And then
Thank you for catching
yes.
that.
I was like, what
This
is that?
one's right here.
Yeah, where's this one at? Make
got
sure
it.
it's
Yeah,
tucked
it's
in real
right
good.
here.
Okay. And then
Blake has my fashion tape. I was going to tape the neckline down, but I accidentally sent it
tape
off.
the neckline down?
Yeah, like, you know, the double-sided sticky tape.
Yeah.
Just so it's not gappy or anything. I could do that later.
It's a little crooked. Let me
Oh, thank you.
fix it. It looks kind of like this instead of straight.
Oh, yes.
You know what I
yes.
mean? So forgive me for tugging.
Oh, go ahead.
But I want it
I want it
perfect.
to be straight.
Okay. Yeah, there it is.
Better.
Yeah, now it goes
Thank
whoop,
you.
right down.
Oh,
Let
good.
me double check the buttons. Yeah. Okay, love.
You got the buttons
Yes.
all the way down here?
All the way down.
Okay.
Yes.
Yay, thank you.
that
I
is
could not have
bugging
done that
me
without
just
you.
a little bit.
I know it.
You know
like,
what? Let me
the
look at that,
seams.
honey, because let me look at
I
that.
should have ironed them.
I don't know if it's
direction. or
is it an
something.
iron thing or is it?
No,
I think it's a lining thing, isn't it?
they're just each.
Oh, there it is. There it is. It came out.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Yay!
Yay!
Oh, yay! I wasn't sure we were gonna get that. Yay!
Thank
But it's all
you.
smooth now. Okay,
What side
let me
looks
double
right?
look. That one side looks fine. It's all
Okay.
smooth. This is all smooth.
Yay.
What is that? What is that bunching?
I don't know.
Let me look. Oh, it's just a liner.
Mm,
Okay,
okay.
the lining of it is the seam is thick.
Yeah,
That's all
on
it
all
is.
3 layers, it's got a real thick seam.
It's so
But
weird.
it feels much better now that you did that.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Yeah. No, that looks good. Yeah, you're all
Yay.
straight. Look this way. Let me get that. Sorry.
Ooh,
I don't want you to get your pictures back and go, what is that line? You know what I mean?
Thank you, yeah.
What is that? Sorry, forgive my hand.
No, you're fine. Maybe when
no,
we
it's-
altered it.
You know what? It's the seam. The seam in the different layers are not
They're
in
not
what-
sync.
right.
Hmm.
That's
Okay.
what it is, and it's
All right.
and it's leaving the line.
Ah,
But I think I pulled
is
it.
that right?
I pulled it a little to make it even. Yeah, because I'm looking at it, I'm like, why is it like punched up like that? But it's the same right there. Yeah. Oh, you got it here. Hold on. Okay. I think that looks great.
All right. Ooh, I'm so excited.
How's it feel?
Feels amazing with my hair and my
And it's all buttoned up for
makeup.
the first time.
Yeah.
You look
Oh,
great.
feels
Where's your
awesome.
earrings?
Oh yeah, earrings and a necklace.
Yes. Do you need help with your shoes? Where are the shoes?
No, I don't.
Okay,
They're just
perfect.
flats. Yeah.
Okay. Here's those. I'll leave those right there.
I might need help with my bracelet.
Yes, of course.
I should get that up first.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you. I feel gorgeous.
Wonderful. As you should. I mean, so pretty, really. I
I'm
can put
gonna
them
need
both
your
on.
help. I
Sure.
can already
Yeah.
tell.
Which hand on for this,
This
one?
one.
There you go. Okay, so it goes like that, and then this
And pinches in, I
like that, and like that.
think. Yes.
Does that look correct?
I think so.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect.
That is a different.
So what's the plan? Is he gonna call you or something?
I don't know. He
Oh.
said he texted me and said go to the first floor, not the lobby, and
Oh.
Darren will tell me what we're doing.
Oh,
Oh, I was gonna eat a banana.
yes.
Do you want the tangerine or anything?
Oh
or
no, honey, we're
chips?
fine. We're fine.
No, thank you.